Hello, I'm Janine Sarna-Jones, Certified Professional Organizer and Move Manager at Organize Me. I want to talk to you about virtual organizing today. It may sound like a weird thing that we can actually think about. When you think about organizing, you may think about somebody coming in and helping you sort through your closet. And it's possible for me to actually help you do that, but from the safety and comfort of my own home, while you are in the safety and comfort of your own home. So if you are curious about how you can work with an organizer via virtual organizing, I will tell you it involves a bit of coaching. You are the hands and I am the support to help you get started. Also, one of the questions that I get asked more than you can imagine is, where do I start? And I can help you with that. The answer is within you, and it only requires some time to discuss what your goals are, what your priorities are, what your values are, and it leads you to the answer. I don't have the answers because my goals are different than yours, but I can definitely help you find yours if you are stuck. And I have lots and lots of years of experience helping people get organized at home, at work, and in their projects. So my goal is to help you work on that project now that you have some time stuck at home and you're not able to go out and distract yourself with all this other stuff that is usually really fun to do in the world. I want to help you tackle that project that has been really bothering you for quite some time. And if you can work with me for a short amount of time, we have some homework that you can do, and we get back together and discuss how you did and what stumbling blocks you had or where you got stuck. I'm so happy to help you move past it, get on to the next step. And if you are looking for a virtual experience in getting organized, contact me at organizeme-inc.com and let us know that you're interested in virtual organizing because you want to tackle that project and you need some love and support from an organizer who really cares about your success. I wish you the best.